Welcome to digital learning. If you're tired of the clicking sound your iPhone keyboard makes while typing, you're in luck. Apple provides simple steps to disable this feature. Follow this guide to learn how to turn off the keyboard sound on your iPhone so you can type silently without disturbing others or yourself. This guide works for most iPhone models running modern versions of iOS. This will also work on older iPhone models, and the first step is to open the settings on our iPhone. Then scroll a bit down until you can see the sounds and haptics option right here. Once we open this, we'll see a bunch of different settings which we can customize them, but let's scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find this keyboard feedback option. Under the System Sounds and Haptics section, you will see two different options, and let's disable the sound at the very top. And this way we will turn off the clicking sound while we are typing, but if you want to have a haptic feedback or a little vibration output while you're typing, then I suggest you enable the haptic option right here and then enjoy. Now that you've successfully turned off the keyboard sound on your iPhone, you can enjoy a quieter and more focused typing experience. Whether you're in a meeting, a library, or just prefer peace and quiet, disabling keyboard clicks ensures you won't disrupt your surroundings. If you ever want the clicks back, simply follow the same steps and toggle the feature back on. Thanks for following this tutorial. Happy typing!